Okay, this is exponent concept. To find the value of x, we have to remember the exponent. So what you do here is 1 over 3 power root x is equals to 81. You do by prime factorization, which is 81. You start by 3 here, 3 here, it's 2, 7, 3 here, it's 9, 3 here, 3 here, 1. So 3 power 4 is the same as 81. So here is 3 power 4 bracket minus x. According to the law of exponent, x minus 1, power minus 1 is equals to power 1 over x, or it is x power negative 1. And also, we have a law of multiple exponent, which is xmn. So what we do here with 3 power minus 1 root x is equals to 3 power 4 bracket minus x. So we multiply the exponent. So we get 3 power minus root 2x equal to 3 power minus 4x. So since the bases are the same, we can cancel the bases and we get minus root x is equals to minus 4x. And we can cancel these negatives by dividing both sides by 1. So you find out by the end of the day, we have x power minus half is equals to 4x, because a square root is equals to half in radicals. Even in exponent, okay, even in exponent. What we do now, we have to multiply both sides, okay, both sides by power 2, 4x, both sides by power 2 to eliminate this half. So x is equals to 16x square. We divide both sides by x, both sides by x. Here we remain with 1x. So when you look into it, we have 1 here is equals to 16x. We divide by 16 by 16. So x is nothing but 1 over 16. Now solve